Hey, hi guys, welcome back to channel. My name is Ashish Tiwari, and in this video, I have talked about what is Power BI. So, if you are also going to start with the Power BI, or you are struggling like whether you need to choose Power BI over Tableau or over GCP, then this video is for you. I will walk you through each and everything. At the end of the video, you will be free of this, like whether you need to choose the Power BI for your career learning or anything else, and how you can learn this. So, each and everything I have covered it, and what you can expect from your career after learning the Power BI. So everything I have covered this video. Let's get started. So the first thing I just wanted to walk you through who should learn the Power BI. So if you are a business analyst, finance or sales professional, you are a student or you are a freelancer, data analyst, aspirant or data enthusiast, then you need to learn the Power BI. Even if you wanted to start your career, then you can learn the Power BI and you can start your career. Even if you want to learn this and you want to do some projects on the freelancers basis, then this Power BI also will help you to do to achieve all those things. So what will the career opportunities and rules? Once you will run the Power BI and other additional tools which will be required with the Power BI, you can get the rules as a Power BI developer, data analyst, BI consultant, and the the salary range I have given you. You can expect this range, and definitely once you will enter to the Power BI, then you will be going to enter in the data world. You can explore as much as you want, or all the doors will be open. Let's talk about what is Power BI. So what is Power BI? So Power BI is a Microsoft Business Intelligence tool. So when you say business intelligence tool, then it's mean whatever the data is going to consume all over the so many industries or so many the companies. Using your data, Power BI will provide you one intelligence or intelligence like what you can perform further on your business. Okay. So it will deep down and it will provide you a perfect insight. And based on those insight, you can take the decision on your business. And Power BI is something which is going to connect almost with any data source, whether your data is going to reside into extract data, okay, Excel, CSV, maybe any web portal, any API, any cloud-based services. It will almost connect every data source. You can transform your messy data into structured insight. I have to said you can visualize, you can use some charts, metrics, tables, and so many visualization. And then on the visualization form, you can take the insight of your data. And definitely once you will finalize all those things, you can share the insight with your team and with your organization so that they can take the decision. Your question is like why companies use Power BI. The first of all, that is going to use Fortune 500 almost by 97% by companies. Power BI provide you the real-time dashboard and AI insights. It's very attractive interface that is easy to integrate almost with all data sources, and there is so many things to do. Even that is too good for the visualization if you are comparing with other tools. Okay, and that is very cost effective if you are comparing with Tableau or other tools. That is very cost effective and scalable. So whether your business or your team size is 1, 10, or 500, so based on your team size, you can take the licensing and you can proceed further. Now, how your problem can be solved. So for an example, let's suppose that you are running one store. Okay, that store is related to a cloth store. Now you are running this cloth store or the shopping mall from the last 10 year, and few data you are having in Excel sheet, few data in Salesforce, few data is having some SQL CRM. Now since till the time you will not integrate data as one, you cannot proceed further to take some insights. So Power BI help you to analyze and integrate all these data into one place into the Power BI spaces, and then you can do the model and prepare your report and dashboard. That is best in class for the visualization, and Power BI will provide you a centralized place for all your ETL needs. You can load your data, okay, and you can perform all kind of ETLs, whatever the ETL operation you wanted to do, and later on you can publish your report as per your analysis need. So why Power BI stand out? So Power BI is first of all, this is the also deep Microsoft ecosystem integration. So you have heard about Excel, Teams, Azure. Okay, you have heard about MSBI. You have heard about Databricks. These are also comes into Microsoft product. So Power BI also comes into Power BI products. So definitely, if that is also coming into the Microsoft product, so it will easily integrate with all those products as well. I have also talked about cost effective. So it's cost effective and even it's available on open source. You can use it freely without using any licensing option. Okay. That is easy for beginners and powerful for expert. So when I say easy for beginners, then it's mean you can learn it very easily, you can adapt it very easily, and once you master it, that is going to become very powerful. Almost you can do all kind of the analysis from the Power BI. As I have said, that is going to scalable for any business side, and this is the market leader in BI tools as rating by the Gartner also. Okay. Next thing, real life use case. So for an example, I have told you there is just some sales kind of the things going on into your store, so you can track some revenue. What is the revenue going month on month? How many projects we have been received, and all those things. As you can see in the screenshot, there is like you can take how many projects you have received, how many tasks you have done, how many issue you have found, what was the lead task we have done, then your underlying data you can check it, projects. Okay, what is the project status, what is the health current status, and this kind of any things you can do from your data. So you can do the marketing, analyze campaign performance, and every team can use Power BI, whether your team is for one team, two people, 100 people, 1000 people, 10,000 people, that is going to be very scalable. Okay, so how you can learn this Power BI? So first of all, before jumping to the Power BI, I would recommend you first you need to learn the data basics. You have to understand what is RDBMS data. Okay, so for learning the RDBMS data, I recommend you to first go for Excel, check it out, learn it perfectly, how the rows and columns are going to work. Okay. And learn some basic VBA or some formulas into the Excel so that at least you can understand the data perfectly before jumping into the Power BI, because Power BI is a father of the Excel. Okay. So till the time you don't know the child, okay, you cannot directly access to the parents. Okay. So, and how you can learn this? Once you will know all these things, you can install Power BI desktop, that is open source. You can connect to your data sources, and after connecting the data sources, you can use Power Query and modeling. So Power Query is a ETL tool, that is a ETL tool available into the Power BI. You can go for the modeling, you can perform some visualization, and you can publish it, you can build your dashboard. And before after doing all these things, then you have to start learning DAX, okay, and advanced feature, and you can automate and share your report. Okay. And so how to start perfectly? So first of all, I would tell you, now you are confused. Okay, hey Ashish, tell these all many things. How I can get it? How do I start this Power BI learning perfectly? I would recommend you don't go for any YouTube channels. Don't go for any things. Okay, don't learn it from so many components. Okay, first you have to get a foundation, and to getting a foundation, this is best thing, you have to enroll in any good courses. So try to explore some good courses, enroll there, get a complete foundation, get a complete component information, what is Power BI, how to good that. Then only you can learn about the Power BI Pro and premium level of the things. Okay. So you have to know the basic perfectly. Then only you need the component. Okay. Then once you start creating your project, go for some easy project, then go for advanced level, and then you can understand it perfectly. All right. So real word use case I would like to tell you. So now once you have the good foundation, you can start some Power BI dashboard building. Like you can go for some sales dashboard. So sales dashboard you can choose for like Amazon, Flipkart, or Myntra. You have to pick a theme, perfectly theme that need to analyze. You first get ingest the data. You do start doing the visualization. Don't do as of now any kind of advanced DAX formula. Just simply load the data, try to drag and drop, try to learn first the feature of it. Okay. And you can pick some HR dashboard, or you can pick some health insurance dashboard. So try to create at least 3 to 4 projects into your portfolio. Then only you will understand how the Power BI is going to work. Okay. So I'll thank you so much for watching this. Now, if you have learned something about it, hit the video, or if you wanted anything covered to me in next video, I will cover it. So the next video I will coming with the Power BI component. So Power BI component like desktop service, Power BI mobile and gateways. I will try to give you one overview how the Power BI components are going to use, what is the use case of each of them, and what is the importance of each of them. So I will come into this video. So till now, happy learning, and thank you so much for watching this video.